welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to show you advanced outbound prospecting system. Yes, and this is the exact system which we use in our company to get high paying clients. Okay, so let me talk about, like, there is a old way of prospecting and a new way of prospecting. Okay, so the new way, okay, I will show you that later, but let's discuss the old way of prospecting. So let me show you what most of the people do. Okay, most of the sales process looks like the stranger, and they send the email, right? Open the email means the stranger open the email, or might be they don't open the email. Okay, so let's say, hey, do you need some clients? And then they just ignore you, or they just click on the link, or whatever it is. Okay, and then the other another day or after 2 hours, hey, did you got my email? Hey, did you checked my email? And then you keep following up with the different scripts. Okay, whatever it is, you are using some kind of automation to send thousands of emails to your prospect, right? You send email to a stranger, and you keep doing the follow up. And sometimes you get sometimes you get a phone number from anywhere, like on Google listing or Instagram, or from anywhere, like even in the chat, right? And then you make a call, and still, like, sometimes they pick up the call and then they say no to you, right? Or they don't want to talk, or they are not interested. And then sometime, like, what happened when you send them email on the first attempt, might be they book a discovery call with you. Okay, or might be in the follow-up section they will book a discovery call with you, right? So in any way they will book a discovery call with you, right? And then you do the demonstration call after that, and then you end up with the objections. Like, let me tell you, might be you will be familiar with this. Just email me more information and I will get back to you, right? A lot of people, like, when they was doing this old system, they come up with like the same excuse, I mean the same objection they come up with. Just email me more information and I will get back to you. Maybe you can relate, because a lot of people, like a lot of digital marketers, message me that, hey Ashish, I'm client is asking me to send them more information, what should I send? And then end up they will saying like, I will get back to you. And this is what 90% of the time happen with this all prospecting guys who are doing the prospecting using the old method. There is too much going on right now, call me back next quarter. And this is the another popular one which they get a lot, like a lot of time I have seen this thing. We will buy soon, or I will think about it. So this is the third one. So this is the all the objections. This is the most, like, familiar objection. Might you can relate with it. You might be getting this kind of like objection a lot, because over the, like, few years, even when I was doing this prospecting using the old school method, okay, old way, and a lot of people, like in my network, they just come up with the same thing. Just email me more information, I will get back to you. There is too much going on right now. Call me back next quarter. We will buy soon, or I will think about it. Okay, and might be there some, but I'm not saying this method don't work. Even I have used this method to close clients, but I'm not saying it is like predictable. It's not predictable, right? It's have lots of labor work in it, and client don't trust you. That's the biggest issue, and they always come up with the excuse, because you cannot go and just knock the doors and then just try to sell a high ticket product, $1,000 to $3,000 products, or $12,000 products. So that's, and no one will buy, because there is a no awareness stage here. Yeah, there is some kind of awareness, but it's not like lots of people just ignore email. I know. And then you do a follow-up call, maybe, right? Right. So now, so this is all, like, you send a stranger email, okay, and might they ignore you, or they just and then you might you are doing the follow up 1, follow up 2, follow up 3, you're sending them the messages. And might be you're trying to do a call, or then you go to the discovery call, you book a discovery call with them, then you do a discover demonstration call, and then you end up with the objection, right? So best way to remove objection is to remove before they come up. That's what's my saying is. Remove all the objection which which is going to come up. So what we do, like, we create a list of objection and we try to remove them all before they come up on the call. So that's what we do. and then you like end up with the objection, then you again do follow up. Hey, why do you want, why you're not purchasing from me? And then you just this old way. I'm not saying this doesn't work, this process works, and like a lot of 90% people in the market are using the same way. I mean, more than, I think, I don't know how much it is, like 99% people you can say are using the same, because till now I didn't find it. Just a big players are doing the similar a bit like me, what I'm using in my company. Okay, and my client's company. This is a new way of prospecting where you send a stranger one email, right? You send a stranger one email and then they click on the link. Actually, we have like a VSL in it, right? We have a VSL or a website in it. Okay, like a training or anything, like a asset, like anything. It might be the email which I given you before also. So it's not just for cold, it works for warm audience also. So they click on the link or they open the email and then they click on the link. Okay, and then we show them, actually once they go and click on the link, our retargeting ads on Facebook start showing the ads to them, because that's what most trust is. Like you can run testimonial ads to show them. You can run any assets which you have built, any creatives, any copy, any good offers, right? Reviews, testimonials, etc. to you show them, because that's what they see, that you are running ads. And I'm the best thing is, when I say to you, like I will show you a best way to run ads in very little amount. Like you can literally spend less than $2 a day to get the bookings and to do this. So you just need to spend $1 or $2. I mean, at least $2 a day, $2 to $5 a day if you have budget, $5 a day. Because when I will show you how to do this, how to send emails and set up everything like your G Suite, your personalized email setup, all the prospecting things, at the moment you will understand why I am saying. Because what will happen when you are sending thousands of emails, okay, you are building that data, and most of the people don't capture that data and then they struggle. But we capture that data in our Facebook pixel, in our Google pixel, right? So we can retarget them using our ads. So once, so they can see that we are a brand, we are not any like shit guy who is just doing prospecting and just making money with, so that's what we do, we build brand. Yeah, so that's why once they click on the link, we started showing them the retargeting ads, and they see these people are real, they are running ads, they have a client, they have a testimonials, blah 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 blah. And might be once they click on the link, this link in the email, they go to this sales video actually. Okay, it's a video sales letter. So now you will ask me, what is video sales ad? Okay, just it's like a 15-minute presentation where we talk about who we are, what our company does, and some more information you can add, and some reviews, testimonials, and how you can help them. And that's a 15-minute one, VSL, which I do a lot. Like, and even I know some people, like they literally did a 3-minute VSL and they are making like more than millions of dollars using the 3 million, like sorry, 3-minute video. And even I know people who are using the 15-minute video are also making millions. And even why we send them the sales video, video sales first, because there's a two types of sales video which we use. The first one is a quick video, which is like a 15-minute one, which we send them actually, because in nowadays, like everyone is busy and they want everything quick. So that's why we send them the 15 to 3-minute video. We don't send them the longest 2.5 hours of training that everyone in the market is doing. They build the same strategy what other people are doing, like what Sam Owens and all these gurus are teaching in the market, like build a 2.2 hours thing and then you send a VSL to them and blah blah blah. Actually, people don't like to watch that much of the training. But once you make a 15-minute very clean, okay, clean process, and then afterwards what we do, okay, and they go to the sales page, actually the VSL sales page after that, and they watch the video, that 15-minute or 3-minute or whatever 25-minute it is. Okay, there is no rule, but yeah, more or less it will work very well. We have tested, like spent like thousands of dollars, not even thousand, millions of dollars on just on the VSL I'm talking about. So what we have seen, like the less number of, like the lowest number, like 15, 20, 25 minutes, even 30 minutes. 15-minute is the best. I would say 15-minute is the best. Always works very well. Even 25 minutes works. All good. In short, I can say keep it 30 minutes. So they go to the VSL, video sales letter, and they book a call with you, a discovery call, right? Okay, might they go to the retargeting ads and then they go to the sales letter. Okay, so from the link they go to the sales letter, or from the retargeting ads they go to the sales letter, and after that they go to the discovery call. They book a discovery call with you, and then they go to the thank you page. Okay, and what's the heck is here? Why I added the thank you page here? Okay, let me tell. Most of the thank you page sucks. They don't know how to build a proper thank you page. They just say congratulations, your you have booked a call, right? That's what most of the thank you page will look like. But since ages, when I was not even aware about the VSL, I was just using a call booking page and the thank you page. Okay, so what we add actually on the thank you page, we add reviews of our clients. Okay, if you don't have reviews, you can add some like some kind of testimonials. Like you can use my 5 days like the testimonial script which I have given to you people. You can use that and grab some testimonial using that scripts from the even like you don't have any expense, you can get some testimonials using that script and the techniques which I have shown. But let's close that topic. So we add like a lot of testimonials on it. You can see 10, 20. Don't add a lot, that doesn't look good, but you can add 10 to top 10 or top 20 testimonials of yours, right, your clients. And that's what's like built, so they don't ask you on the call, hey, do you have work with anyone, because they see that you have already have had a clients, right? So they don't ask you that question. So that's what I was saying, remove objection before they come up, right? So they will not ask you that do you have any client, do you have any proof that this system works. Then you add that all the testimonial, that builds the belief that your system works. But there is another way that might be that will not work for them, so that's another objection, so you have to handle that too. But like a lot of people will not have that objection. So they see the testimonials and everything, and then they see there is a Facebook group, okay, button over there. Like you tell them to step 1, check out all my testimonials. Step 2, okay, join my Facebook group. Step 3, check out my Instagram page or YouTube, I mean, sorry, Facebook group. Step 3, check out my Facebook group. So you add them into Facebook group, you tell them to subscribe your YouTube channel, right? You show them your reviews so they can see that you are literally a real guy who is giving tons of value on your YouTube, on your Instagram. You are doing, might be you're doing personal branding or anything. So right, that's what like I do a lot of times, so they don't, so it's convert very fast at that moment, right? And then that is a after that we do a discovery call with them. Okay, after that then we book another call which is called as demonstration call. uh so the discovery call is pretty much quick, like 10 to 15 minutes, and even a lot of time like people buy on the discovery call also because they have seen all these things, right? So on the go, they just price, tell me how much is the price I would like to enroll into your course or services, whatever it is. And after that, you can see we send up a pre-call email with all the list and all the resources in it, like all the like even one more thing I forgot to tell you. You actually create a ebook or a lead magnet or a real book of your system, of how your system is work, whatever your framework is, 1 2 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step, 9 step, whatever it is. You create that and you literally hand over that book, a very valuable. I don't want to create a shitty lead magnet which everyone is doing, and then they say come up with the excuse that lead magnet is not working, because it might not work because you just added the shitty information which is everywhere else. Okay, so you have to create a good ebook, like a good way, like a real book, like a good ebook, like a good graphics and everything. I don't want to create a shitty graphics on it. A good, just simple, not like too much going inside of the graphic, but just a simple, clean, minimalist design. And you lay out your process, how it works and all everything, and then you send that on this thank you page also. Step 4, download our guide, how our process works. And on the pre-call also, you say add all of these links plus all the instruction, what to expect on call, what we will do, blah 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 blah, everything written on it. And so we book a demonstration call, right? And that's actually converting call, or in short I can say closing call, where we close the client, right? So and after that we add them into Facebook group also. Okay, let's say they said something no or something like they didn't convert. After that also we add them into our Facebook group, which is a free Facebook group I told you to make. might be in the next video or the last video. So demonstration call, and then they like go to the Facebook group. After that, we invite them to our Facebook group so they can see all the testimonials, more valuable things, so they can implement, and that makes them curious about you more. So they buy from you actually. After that, even some people don't. After they you do a follow up call with them. So it's like more converting here. So most of the people I want to talk one more thing here. You apply basically a 7 hour rule. So how I got to know about this is like when I was like making videos back in 2017 and 18 on my social media, like Gary Vee style, like Square, and doing the stuff on it. So one of my client, like Joshua, he said if anyone consume your content more than like 3 to 7 hours, they would buy from you because they literally become fan of you. That's why they have consumed more than 3 to 7 hours of content of you. So they see you as an idol. And that day he said to me like, you make videos daily, so you create that trust in them. And that's what I said to all of my clients. But even if you don't want to do that, it's fine right now. Okay, but it helps to build a brand. It helps you to convert more sales because uh, uh, like if you want to make like best, if you want to make like millions, you should do this. If you want to make few thousands, like 50K, 100K, or like that seem, so you can like excuse that part, but I would recommend to do that too because it helps me. So what happened actually when you are doing the old way, what happened, the content consume is just 1 hour, right? 1 hour. And if you are get closer, you are able to close a client very easily. But it doesn't have, I never seen someone like doing that, but this process works very well. And this process, like the time content consume is like 7 hours because you given them the PDF, you give them all the resources, training. I told you to do like a resource page where you add some of your trainings on it, so you can literally send them like how to set up Facebook page, how to do Facebook ads, blah blah strategies and everything. If you're a marketer, if you're a coach, you can just add whatever your thing is. So you add that all the resources might like, let's say you here it's consumed like on the discovery call it's consumed like 15 to 25 minutes. Okay, then on the demonstration call it's consumed like 1 hour. And literally I don't say like anyone have to watch your 7 hours of the content, but what I'm trying to explain, if anyone watch you, they it builds that trust, that's intimacy with you. So when they like, a lot of time we have seen like people are closed in just 30 to 1 hour, or even 2 hours, a high ticket deals, even a $40,000 deal we have closed, or even 100K for hospitality business we have closed a deal using this prospecting method. Okay, so you can see, I'm not saying like anyone have to watch you 7, but it's the best number if anyone watch. Like this is the process which will help you to get this number. You add them, you give them the training and everything, resource, PDF, so it makes them easy. Okay, so you are thinking how can I apply this? You are just giving me this framework and explaining each and every step and just giving me all the instruction how it will work. Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up this thing also. So it's not, I'm not just going to uh tell you, I'm going to show you how we will do this, because a lot of time you will say like, hey Ashish, I'm trying to send emails but it's going inside of the spam or junk folder, whatever it is. And then you will again ask something like so you will say people are not responding to your messages, it's going into spam. What email marketing software we will use? Okay, a lot of people don't know how to do this because there is a spectrum. I will talk about it in the next video. Okay, where I will come up with the more things so I can explain you how it will work. A spectrum, outbound marketing prospecting system spectrum, which I'm going to show you how it will work. So you get a lot of open rates, okay, and close rates too. And so see you in the next video.